Hey guys, it's Alison Victoria and welcome to this month's picks. We are going classic Americana with this grouping and I'm loving the entire feel of it. It's fun, it's young, and it's still very, very classic. So we're starting by bringing in the blues with the Newport Blue. I love the softness of this blue, and I love the profile of the panel. And then we've paired it with our countertop. So this countertop, as you can see, has a little bit of a bluish gray that works really well with our Newport Blue. This is the Celestial Dusk. It's got a really prominent vein to it, but overall it's that classic white finish. So I think the contrast of the blue and the white, it really stands out. Then working our way down to our flooring, it's the XRP Hickory. This looks and feels like a classic Hickory floor. And we didn't want to leave this flooring alone, so to speak, with its finish. So bringing in a second countertop, so as the island in a waterfall in this American walnut. I love doing a butcher block island with waterfall edges, and imagine that waterfall edge falling on this XRP Hickory floor. As far as the hardware goes, we're tying back in some of these gold tones from our Hickory floor. This is the Gracious Home Firenze marble and brass. I like that from the front, you're really only seeing the marble, get a little sneak peek of the brass, and then from the side profile, you get a whole different look. And then coming in with either a brass faucet, or you could even go with a stainless faucet. You can mix and match your metals, and don't be afraid to do it.